Hola, hola, ¿cómo están? Today we are going to be talking about another idiomatic expression or colloquialism that it is called no buscarle ruido al chicharrón. So what does that mean? Let's start off by defining chicharrón. Chicharrón in Spanish is pork rind. Typically it's made out of pork, but also can be produced or made out of other sources like flour, etc. And so the expression comes like this. So you have a piece of chicharrón, like this one, pork rind, and obviously the piece of chicharrón doesn't make any noise by itself. However, if you truly wanted to make some noise, you can easily do that by applying some lime, lemon, putting some salsa, or just by eating it. So let's look at some examples as to how to apply this expression. No buscarle ruido al chicharrón.
¿Vas a tocar esa víbora? No le busques ruido al chicharrón. Are you going to touch that snake? You're looking for so much trouble. Here is another example. Carlos aún está fastidiando a Luis. Le está buscando ruido al chicharrón. Carlos is still bothering Luis. He's just looking for trouble. I am so glad you were able to add this new expression to your Spanish vocabulary, and I hope you don't buscarle ruido al chicharrón. See you next time. Nos vemos pronto.